Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. Today we are doing an unboxing video again, and this time the Icons of the Realms Monster Pack Cave Defenders. They're looking very good in the package. Then let's have a look what those miniatures look like outside the box. That's very good, very easy to get out. We start with the kobolds. Yeah, you have the kobold with the sword. The base is a bit dirty and seems like there were glue on it. Not the best quality of the bases, but that's much better. It's a kobold with a spear. The quality of the painting is very good, I have to say. And the only thing are the bases. Those are not that good. Here, as you can see, the base is a bit milky, I would say. But the miniature itself, very good. Those are the three kobolds. Let's go on to the bugbears. Okay, this one is very good inside. That's the one with the axe. No armor, only fur and an axe. Now the armored one with the mace. Yeah. The quality of the miniatures are very good, but the quality of the bases isn't that good. And finally, the ogre. Very good miniature, but as you can see, a very milky base here. That's not so good. But for the price, that was 28 euros. It was one of the cheaper Warband sets, but for this price, the quality of the figures is very good. The bases could be better, but I favor a better miniature than a better base, so it's not that bad. This is the ogre of the Monster Pack Cave Defenders. It has a challenge rating of 2, and you can find its stat block in the basic rules. Those are the kobolds of the Monster Pack Cave Defenders. They have a challenge rating of 1/8, and you can find their stat block in the basic rules. And those are the two bugbears out of the Monster Pack Cave Defenders. They have a challenge rating of 1, and you can find their stat block in the basic rules. And if you like the video, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. I appreciate the support, and thank you. Until the next time, bye.